Good morning, my dear students. I wish you Happy New Year to you all. Let's start New Year portion today. Already we have started the lesson 8, Human Body Nervous System. Yes? Okay. How many sense organs in our body? 5. What are they? They are eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. Can you say few organ systems in our body? Respiratory system, digestive system, skeletal system, muscular system, and nervous system. We have learned about skeletal system and muscular system in our last class, in our last lesson. Yes? Okay. Today we are going to learn about nervous system. The nervous system is a control system of our body. The brain, spinal cord, and the nerves make up the nervous system. This nervous system helps all the parts of the body to communicate with each other. It also reacts to changes both outside and inside the body. It uses to send and receive messages. This nervous system controls breathing, walking, thinking, and feeling. First part of the nervous system is brain. Brain is the main control center of the body, protected by the skull. It is the central organ of the human nervous system. Brain has 3 parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, and brainstem. Do you remember? Yes. Next part is nerves in the nervous system. Nerves that connect the brain and spinal cord with muscles controlled by conscious effort and with sensory receptors in the skin. Nerves control the involuntary or voluntary activities of our body, including heart rate, blood pressure, digestion, and temperature regulation. In this nervous system consists of billions of nerve cells called neurons. There are 3 types of nerves: sensory nerves, motor nerves, and mixed nerves. Sensory nerves are to inform the central nervous system on us from the outside or within us. It informs us about any changes in the internal and external environment. Sensory nerves carry messages from the sense organs to the spinal cord or brain. A motor nerve is a nerve located in the central nervous system. Usually, the spinal cord that sends motor signals from the central nervous system to the muscles of the body. Mixed nerves are composed of both motor and sensory fibers and transmit messages in both directions at once. They carry messages from different parts of the body to the brain or spinal cord, and from brain or spinal cord to the different parts of the body. Next part is spinal cord. It is a long tube-like structure that begins at the end of the brainstem and continues down almost to the bottom of the spinal column or vertebral column. The spinal cord consists of nerves that carry incoming and outgoing messages between the brain and the rest of the body, allowing you to control your movements. Without a spinal cord, you could not move any part of your body and your organs could not function. Good morning everyone. In which topic we are going to learn today? Nervous system. Yes? In the last lesson we have learned about skeletal system and muscular system. Today we are going to study about nervous system. Okay? Nervous system is a control center of our body. Nervous system is a control center of our body. It is a control system. Okay? It is made up of brain, spinal cord and nerves. What are the three parts? Brain, nerves and spinal cord. Okay. Brain, nerves and spinal cord. Listen, brain is the main control center of our nervous system or in our body. Okay, brain is the main control system of our body. Okay, it is the main control part. Okay, it has three important parts. First one is cerebrum. Second one is cerebellum. And third one is brainstem. Okay, what are the three parts contains in the brain? Cerebrum, cerebellum and brainstem. Okay, cerebrum is the largest part in our brain. Cerebrum is the largest part in our brain. Okay, it is used to sending the messages or collecting the messages from the different sense organs. What are the 5 sense organs? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Okay, so the cerebrum collects the informations from the sense organs and sent to the brain. Okay, it is the analyzing part and memorizing part. Okay, it is used to analyzing and memorizing and also learning. Okay, next one is cerebellum. Okay, cerebellum is the center of our creativity. Cerebellum is helps to movement of our body and it is the center of creativity. If anyone gives some ideas to do any project or anything, we will be think about that. Which creativity we can use here? Okay, for that we can use the cerebellum. Next one is brainstem. Okay, brainstem lies below the cerebellum. Okay, brainstem lies below the cerebellum. This brainstem, helps to heartbeat and blood pressure. Okay, it helps in breathing also. Okay, brainstem controls breathing and heartbeat. These are the 3 parts are in the brain. Next part is nerves. Okay, next part is nerves. In the nervous system, billions of nerve cells are there. That is called neuron. Okay, neuron. More than billions of nerve cells are in the nervous system. That is called neuron. Neuron also collects the information from the brain or collects the information from the brain to different parts of the body. Okay. Listen the children, this is the structure of neuron. Okay. It is in the nerves. Neurons are in the nerves. Okay. Listen here, this nerves will be carries or nerves acts like a carry signals to the brain or spinal cord to the different parts of the body, or it will be carries messages from the different parts of the body to the brain or spinal cord. Okay, it has three types. First one is sensory nerves. Sensory nerves. Second one is motor nerves. Third one is mixed nerves. Okay, there are three parts are nerves: sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerves. What is the use of sensory nerves? Sensory nerves collects the information or carries the information from the different parts of the body and send to the brain or spinal cord. Okay, listen, this is the different parts of the body. Okay, you should think that this is the brain. This is the brain or spinal cord. This is the different parts of the body or sense organs. Okay, so the sensory nerves carries the messages from the different parts of the body and sent to the brain or spinal cord. Okay, this is the sensory nerves. Next one is motor nerves. Motor nerves, it will be acts like a opposite to the sensory nerves. Motor nerves carries the informations or carries messages from the brain or spinal cord to the different parts of the body. Motor nerves carries the messages from the brain or spinal cord to the different parts of the body. This is the motor nerves. Next one is mixed nerves. This mixed nerves acts like a sensory nerves and motor nerves. Okay, they are doing both works. Mixed nerves sending the messages from the different parts of the body to the brain or spinal cord, as well as brain carries the messages from brain or spinal cord to the different parts of the body. Okay, what are the three types of nerves? Sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerves. Do you understand this? Next one is spinal cord. And third part is the spinal cord. Okay, this spinal cord is a long tube-like structure. Okay, it is a extends from the brain to the spinal column. Okay, it is a long tube-like structure extends from brain to the spinal column. It is also, the spinal cord acts like a bridge from brain to the spinal column or brain to the different parts of the body. This is also doing the same work. They are sending the messages or carrying the messages from the brain to the different parts of the body. Okay, it is plays like a major role of reflex actions. Okay, if any hot fire is there, when we touch near the fire, what we will do? We will pull our hand. You see, that is the reflex action. So, what are the three parts we have learned today in the nervous system? Brain, nerves and spinal cord. Okay, brain has three parts: cerebrum, cerebellum and brainstem. Nerves, it is a in the nervous system they have more than billion neuron cells. Nerve cells are called neuron. It has three types: sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerves. Sensory nerves collecting the informations, collecting messages from the different parts of the body and sent to the brain to the or spinal cord. Then motor nerves carrying messages from the brain or spinal cord to the different parts of the body. Then mixed nerves will be doing both works about sensory and motor nerves. Then spinal cord is a long tube-like structure. It is also acts like a bridge from the brain to the different parts of the body. Okay, do you understand this? Okay, children? Thank you.